Hello, I'm Ryan DeGaw, your National Account Manager with ALLDATA. I wanted to share a few tricks to quickly identify recalls, TSBs, scheduled maintenance tables, and explore some lesser known features within our wiring diagrams. We can start by either using year, make, model, VIN, or the plate. In this particular case, we'll use a plate as an example. When I pull the plate in, it's going to pull the VIN, and it's going to provide me with this orange bar here. These open recalls are going to populate based off that VIN. That's going to help you identify in your diagnostic process if a recall is related or a TSB may be related to the issue or concern that the vehicle is having. You can also come in and type in a P code, P, U, B, or C code. And as an example, this 203E pulls up the technical service bulletin for 203E and F. And as long as I check it in that search box prior to service, I can be in front of any TSB or recall that may be going on. Additionally, when I click the vehicle, it takes me back to the main home page where I can then come into popular information and I can gather my service tables here. If this vehicle is at 75,000 miles, you have all these details here. You could also hit the print button, and when you hit the print button, it's going to give you a breakdown of good, fair, or poor condition for the different components that need to be inspected, replaced, or checked. You can share those because it's just a PDF that transfers over. So as you save as PDF, you have that article that you can attach with your work document if necessary. The wiring diagram features I mentioned, we have both OE and non-OE. The non-OE are the electrical interactive color wiring schematics. The electrical OE is just that. It's strictly the OEM content. Once I select the color non-OE schematics, let's go into powertrain management. It's usually 5 to 8 pages for a PCM in the engine control section. This one happens to be 8. You have individual pages you can look at, you can print, you can zoom in, zoom out, or if you click on the schematic, anywhere on the schematic, it tapes them all together for you. So here I've got all 8 pages already taped together for me. So one of the lesser known features within these schematics is the ability to come in, highlight individual lines that will follow across multiple pages if necessary, and also the search function. The search function is a very big time saver. And if I'm looking for something turbo related, I type in turbo, it tells me there's 7 of those words turbo found. I come down here using my plus and minus button to zoom in and zoom out. And now I can select my component, go back to full screen. I can even ghost the wires in the background so it's a little softer. And I can understand where my turbo speed sensor is located, which says it's on the supercharger, or excuse me, the turbocharger. And then you follow this back, and now you're in the ECM, and it tells you where that ECM is, which is on the left side of the engine. So just a few things that is lesser known within the wiring schematic section. Also, when I get back to this main landing page, anywhere this blue bar populates, these are additional resources for you. So bookmarks is just that. It's a bookmark that you place because maybe it's information you need to get to later, or it's viable information that you need for another job. But all the research can be done up front, so this is ready and waiting for you to go. Just helps speed up the process for you. And then we have our library team. The library team is a team of individuals that go out and they do the research for you. So if there's something I couldn't find, as an example, I can come in, and if there's any DTCs, symptoms, or concerns, you can put them in there, just more relevant information for us. Tell them you have a request for information. The information might be something as simple as need R&R times for bumper, as an example. Incomplete or missing, you couldn't find it, you spent more than 5 to 7 minutes looking for it. Stop, you're not being efficient, let us help you. It's part of our job. We love doing it. There is no additional cost to you. Just let us be a resource for you. So do you want an email or a phone call? And they do that in 30 minutes or less. There is no additional cost involved for the library requests. So please use that team because they're there to help you and they're happy to help you. You can also reach the library team by calling them directly. If you hit the diagnostic hotline, English, Spanish, and French, you give this phone number a call. Option 1 takes you to the library team. Option 2 is 30 L1 ASE master technicians that can video screen share with you or your technician to help resolve a diagnostic or a problematic vehicle. There is an additional charge for the Tech Assist hotline, but you will know very well in advance if you're being charged for a service. Option 1, library. Option 2 takes you to Tech Assist. You can also find more information on different features within the product by clicking the Help and Feedback button, going into in-product guidance. You can review articles here, or you can watch the videos here, just like the one that we did with the wiring schematics. That video is here showcasing how to navigate that step by step the way that I just showed you. Thank you for reviewing these tips and tricks with me today. I hope it helps. Please reach out if you have additional questions, and I look forward to assisting you in the future. Thank you for all that you do.